Cuddy Mountain Ranches was originally a 5,000 acre, 300 cow-calf yearling operation that had been under one family's ownership for years and years and years. So it was literally 5,000, became 5,000 acres. They kept acquiring pieces. It wasn't all in one block. It was all the way from along the Weiser River at Bacon Valley to literally up the slopes of Cuddy Mountain, almost all of which was in Adams County. And the owners said that they could ride from the ranch over the hills clear to the Snake River. They would, if they got on a horse, they could ride. It was a long ride, but there was nothing to stop them from riding from the ranch clear to the Snake River. They intended when they purchased it to divide the property, but they also wanted to make sure that they did not interfere with the integrity of the landscape. They range in size from 6, 7, 8 acres up to several hundred acres.